Namaskar, Namaste, Namaha. I am Manju Joshi, co-founder of Gurukul Yoga and Food Yogini, and welcome to this series of chakra meditation. So we are going to go through each chakra, the energy centers in our body, and we are going to activate them with brief meditation. And if you are really interested in going deeper into it, we do have a course that we will talk about later. But today we will just talk about the first energy center, which is at the base of the spine, and it is called Mooladhar, the root energy center or the root chakra. Chakra is a Sanskrit word meaning wheel or just the round shape. So these are like energy centers where there are spinning energy around that area. So as we mentioned, the first one is called Mooladhar, and it is at the base of the spine at the perineum area between the anus and the urethra. And each chakra or the energy center has a sound which can vibrate, resonate with that particular area to activate that area, to bring some energy out of that area. So as you see on the screen, the bija mantra or the seed sound for this particular energy center is lam. That's a Sanskrit script there, and you can see the shape of that letter la is in the form of, they are like the backside of our body, the seat, and the in between the spine is going up, so you can see that way the line represents the spine. So if you use this mantra lam, it will contract the pelvic area so that the energy can start moving upward, which is always dormant there. And this energy is the same energy that we use for digestion, we use for any other bodily function, and also we use this energy to create babies. So it's a sexual energy as well. So, and this energy is always being utilized to just do the bodily functions. So instead, now we are going to conserve this energy and try to move it upward so we can raise our vibrations. So we are going to focus on this particular area. We are going to use this mantra lam. At the same time, we are going to use another mantra called glaum. Ga represents Gaia, earth, and la is land, so ground. So this is a really grounding sound. And if you use it over and over again, you use it as a mantra repetition. Um, it sounds like we are hammering on a rock to open it. So by using this Glaum mantra, we can remove the blockages like rocks in front of us and move that energy. So we will start this meditation. We'll do a short breath, like as if you are inhaling through the mouth, like sucking through the straw, but twice, like this, and then exhale out through the mouth. So this gives the signal to your energy center to move upward, that we are ready. So this is called Ashwini Mudra breath, and it's a very specific breath for this particular energy center. So let's try this. You can sit nice and tall. Try to keep your spine straight. Do not lie down. And when you inhale through your mouth twice, you contract the pelvic area. Okay, so let's try it. Ashwini Mudra breath. Contract the pelvic area while taking the breath in, and then let go when you exhale out. You can fist your hands if you want to. One more time. and relax. And I have this singing bowl, so I'm going to use the singing bowl just to bring our focus to our breath, our body. So let's try it. Breathe. And now we will focus on the sound, gloum sound, and then the lum sound, and then we will just relax. Okay. So bring your focus to the pelvic area, perineum area. And just even by focusing that area, you will start the movement or some kind of energy just swirling around that area. So feel the base of your spine, the perineum. You can feel the space around the first energy center. And even if you don't feel anything, just imagine just void or space around this area. And now we'll say gloum sound 3 times. If you want to just listen to it, you can do that. Or if you are ready, you can say the sound out loud. And we exhale. While exhaling, we say this sound. And while exhaling, we'll also contract the pelvic area. So tighten the bottoms while saying the gloum sound so that you can feel the energy moving upwards. Okay, so with each breath out, we will say the gloum sound. So let's sit tall again, eyes closed, face relaxed. Inhale. Gloum. Inhale. Gloum. Once again, inhale. Gloum. And you can feel the energy moving up or swirling. Keep the bottoms contracted if you can. And now we'll say lum sound. The same way as we exhale, we'll say the lum sound. And you can see the mantras, the sounds are very powerful. And again, they have really no meaning, but they are just vibrations. And let's begin 3 times again. Inhale. Lum. You can feel the pelvic area contracting. Inhale. Lum. And once again, inhale. Lam. Relax. Allow the energy from this area to move upwards, bringing us out of the fear survival mode. Just focus on the first energy center. Notice what you feel, how you feel. Don't worry if you feel sudden anxiety or fear or a surge of energy. Just observe. And now take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth. Let go. You can extend this meditation by pausing the video, and you can stay in this state for a while. But for the sake of this recording, we will conclude this meditation now. Once again, take a deep breath and exhale through your nose. You can gently open your eyes, look down at the floor. And rub your hands. Bring some warmth, energy. Place over your eyes. Bring your hands over your head, energizing the brain. Bring your hands to your heart. Promise to nourish the heart. And hug yourself tightly. You are your best friend at this moment, in this situation. And the other way. And bring your hands down. You can bring them in Namaste Mudra. Thank you. Namaste. Om Shanti. May there be peace, harmony, health all around us. Thank you.